Lesson 42, 第42課. Let's look at our first vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as shizukana and means quiet. So if you look at the kanji for shizukana, it means quiet. Let's look at the sentence, this is a quiet library. これは静かな図書館です. Notice how there is no change to the adjective when it modifies a noun 図書館. That's because shizukana is considered a na adjective because it ends in na. Let's look at another vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as nigiyakana and means lively or busy. So if you want to say, here is a lively, busy park, the answer is ここは賑やかな公園です. Another thing I want to point out is that nigiyakana cannot be used to describe people. It can only be used to describe places. Let's look at another vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as shinsetsuna and means kind. If you look at the kanji for shinsetsuna, it consists of the kanji for familiarity, card dealer, intimacy, parent, or relative, and the kanji meaning be sharp, cut, or cut off. So as you can see, shinsetsuna is mostly used for pronunciation purposes. Now let's look at the difference between the sentence, that doctor is kind. その医者は親切です with that doctor is a kind doctor. その医者は親切な医者です. Notice how in the first sentence, isha and shinsetsu is separated by wa, but in the second sentence, shinsetsuna and isha are right next to each other. Okay, let's look at a different vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as ijiwaruna, which means unkind, mean, or cruel. So if you look at the kanji for ijiwaruna, it consists of the kanji for taste, thought, care, mind, desire, heart, liking, or idea. The kanji for earth, ground, and the kanji for bad, evil, vice, wrong, rascal, or false. So altogether, ijiwaruna means bad heart or evil thought. So let's do some practice. How would you say, that teacher over there is mean? The answer is, あの先生は意地悪です. Let's look at a different vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as benrina and means convenient. If you look at the kanji for benrina, it consists of the kanji for convenience and the kanji for advantage, benefit, or profit. So altogether, the kanji for benrina means advantageous convenience. So let's do an exercise. How would you say this is a convenient car in Japanese? The answer is, これは便利な車です. Let's look at another vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as 不便な and means inconvenient. So let's take a look at the kanji for 不便な. It consists of the kanji for bad, clumsy, negative, non, or ugly, and the kanji for convenience. So altogether, 不便な means non-convenience, or basically what's called inconvenience. So let's do an exercise. How would you say, that is an inconvenient job? The answer is, それは不便な仕事です. Let's look at a different vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as きれいな and means pretty, beautiful, or clean. So how would you say, she is also a pretty housewife? The answer is, 彼女もきれいな主婦です. Let's look at a different vocabulary word. This word is pronounced as handsomuna and means handsome. So let's do an exercise. How would you say, I'm telling you my friend is handsome? The answer is, 私の友達はhandsomeですよ. Okay, let's do our last exercise. For this exercise, which adjective does not belong with the other adjectives? Let's look at number 1. The adjective that doesn't belong in this category is 賑やかな, which means lively. Both きれいな and handsomeな are related to being beautiful or being good looking, but 賑やかな doesn't have anything to do with appearance. So this is the adjective that doesn't belong here. Let's look at number 2. The adjective that doesn't belong in this category is ijiwaruna. The reason why ijiwaruna doesn't belong in this category is because both shizukana and kirena are both positive in meaning. Kirena means beautiful or clean, and shizukana means quiet, but ijiwaruna has a negative meaning. Let's look at number 3. The adjective that doesn't belong here is shinsetsuna because fubenna and benrina both have to do with convenience or the lack of convenience. If you chose fubenna as the adjective that doesn't belong, then I'll accept that answer too, because you might have reasoned that both shinsetsuna and benrina are positive in meaning, while fubenna is not. That's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.